I am out here and I want to show you this horse barn. This horse barn has a brand new metal roof on it, but there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stalls in here. That one is they're using it for a run-in shed, but look at this. There's one. Over here's another one. There's another one. And they all have big paddocks. You can actually walk right through the barn. This right here is an amazing mower. Oh my goodness. It can be purchased with the property as well. You have paddocks out here. Here's another one. And here's another stall. Everything goes out here to the pastures. This is a very private and secluded property. Got all the way down to the trees down there. And then right here is the main house. And here's another paddock. There is a gated entrance here. This is an amazing property.